Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Windows 10 computer where you're having an issue when you're inserting a USB device. It says that Windows was unable to complete the format. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu, type in Disk Manager, and best result should come back with create and format hard disk partitions. Go ahead and left click on that. You should find an empty unallocated space in here. Again, don't select anything that's currently selected. You probably want to find something that doesn't have any letters on it. So you will find this unallocated space somewhere in here. Go ahead and right click on it. Select new simple volume. Select next. Sample volume, just keep it as default, whatever the maximum it lets you do. And then select next. Sign the following drive letter. You can set it to whatever isn't currently being actively used. Again, doesn't really matter to me. Select next. Select next. And then just make sure perform a quick format is checkmarked here. Volume label, you can name it whatever you want, doesn't really matter to me. And then just select next. Select finish. And there you go, guys. Once it's been quick formatted here, you should be able to have it appear in your PC Manager area and File Explorer, and then you can run your own format. You can change the formatting of it. You could, if we go over to our PC, if we right clicked on it and then selected format, you could format in different ways here. So you could do NTFS, FAT, or FAT32. So you're welcome to change it at this point, but it should be recognized on the system. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.